friends to our channel All About Guns. In this video we'll show you how to assemble 1911 Colt 45 pistol. So to start with, let's take the receiver. First we need to insert the trigger. The trigger has been inserted and you can check the action. Then we need to insert the magazine latch. And take a screwdriver, 4-pin screwdriver, and tighten the magazine latch. Okay, magazine latch is in position. Now we need to insert the magazine. Latch is working properly. Okay, now we need to insert the disconnector and the sear. Assemble the disconnector and the sear like this. And you need to align the whole of the sear assembly with the receiver like this. Now locate the sear assembly with the sear pin. Sear pin has been inserted, and now we need to insert the hammer assembly. Align the whole of the hammer assembly with the receiver and insert the hammer pin. The hammer is in place. After inserting the hammer assembly, now we need to insert the sear spring. For that you need to lift the stroot, hammer stroot, and insert the sear spring like this. Now we need to insert the grip safety. After inserting the grip safety, we need to lock it with the safety lock. And now the mainspring housing. Insert it from the bottom side and push the screw. Now we need to lock the mainspring housing with the mainspring housing pin. Insert the pin and push it with the hammer. The hammer is working properly. So the next step is to fix the stocks or the grips. Place the grip and lock it with the two stock screws. side, and again both the screws. After tightening the screws, so now we need to assemble the slide. First take the slide and insert the barrel in the slide like this, then lock it with the barrel bushing like this, and then you need to insert the plug. Now insert the recoil spring and the spring guide into the plug beneath the barrel. Now we need to mount the slide on the receiver. Remove the magazine and push the hammer back and slide it like this, and insert the slide stop. Insert the magazine, and voila, it's complete. So friends, this is how you assemble in 1911 Colt 45 pistol. Thank you for watching our video, and keep coming back for more such videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel all about guns. Thank you.